Hey guys, this video is for those who are wondering how to fix, the Snapchat ultra wide camera option and not showing problem. Now, the first thing I want you to do is go to your camera and actually check if you have the ultra wide feature. So as you can see, mine goes up to 1x, and if I come here to more, we don't actually have the ultra wide option, right? But if yours does have the ultra wide option and that feature is not showing up on Snapchat, what I want you to do is just go to your Play Store, search for Snapchat, and check if you have any updates. If you have updates, click here on Update and install it. And then I want you to open it up and go ahead and check if the feature is now available after the update. Usually that is the only issue, or your camera just does not support it. So if you found this helpful, you appreciate the honesty, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.